In this video, we'll show you a simple and effective method to open TikTok in mute mode, allowing you to browse your favorite videos silently. There may be times when you want to enjoy TikTok without the sound, whether you're in a public place or simply prefer a quieter browsing experience. So in this video, we'll walk you through the process of opening TikTok in mute mode on both Android and iOS devices. And without wasting your time, let's start. You need to open TikTok on your device and go to your profile. From your profile, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then open the Settings and Privacy option. When we open the TikTok settings, we need to scroll all the way down until we can see a playback section, so open it. And you're gonna see the first option, which is called Open TikTok on Mute, so enable it. It says that videos will be muted by default when we open TikTok. So when we open the app, there will be no sound and you can enjoy TikTok silently. However, if you want to unmute the videos that you are watching, simply click on this button right here and you will have your sound again. And that's it for this video. If this was helpful, make sure to leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.